Good evening. Dear student, today is your practical class. Means here what you are learning, what you are doing practice. Today is your time to test yourself. Okay, so today in front of me Nandini is standing, and let's check her communication skill, how she can speak, and we can also learn many things from one student. Okay, because she is one of you. Okay, Nandini, please have a seat.
Thank you.
So I would like to know about yourself in detail.
Good evening, sir. I am Nandini Verma and thank you giving me this opportunity to introducing myself. I am Nandini Verma and I am the student of second year, second semester DRIT. I am doing diploma on the basis of my 10th marks, and I am very enthusiastic student, and I am so interested about myself and knowing other people.
What is your strength?
And my strength is my communication skill. Is my main strength. I can communicate anywhere. I am an ambivert student. I can communicate with anyone, depending on their culture and their.
Okay. Which year did you complete your 10th class?
2025.
From which board did you complete?
Seriously.
CBSE board,
Yes.
right, Delhi? Okay. Why did you choose DMLT course? DMLT or DRIT?
DRIT.
DRIT course. So can you tell me the full form of DRIT?
Yes, sir. Diploma in Radio Imaging Technology.
Very good. So I would like to know about your hobby.
Sir, my current hobby is shifting. I am learning sign languages because it is so helpful.
So how can you say that this is your hobby? Actually, hobby means your time pass activity, and you are learning that maybe your study.
Sir, actually, I prioritize my hobby according to time management skills.
Okay.
I am not wasting my time. I wanted to learn something new on my mean time.
Okay, it means you are learning language as a hobby, right?
Yeah.
Very good. This is also very good. And okay, what is your long-term goal?
Sir, my long-term goal is to become a professional radiologist.
Okay. From which college are you taking the training of radiologist course?
IIMS.
IMS. Okay. Can you speak on any topic of your choice?
Yeah, sir, I can speak.
Yes, which topic do you want to speak on?
So give me a minute.
If you are not able, then I will give you topics, then you can choose. If you can choose yourself the topic, then you are free to speak on any one topic. Okay, I help you. There are 4-5 topics: time, money, yoga, my best friend, my country. Money, yes. Speak few lines on money.
I think money is the asset which can you create or you can finance with by your debt. It is called money and you can spend it or invest it by anything or any way. It is the basic asset of finance. Money is the basic asset of finance. You can invest it or do something bigger. That's all about money.
Okay. Do you think that money is a big challenge to earn?
I don't think that money is the big challenge to world because I think that the knowledge is the big challenge to the world. If
Okay.
you have money but you don't have knowledge.
So, if you have knowledge, then you can earn money, right?
Yes.
How? How? Explain.
Sir, like you are selling your knowledge. You are a teacher and you are
Okay.
selling your knowledge.
Yes.
And
Yeah, you're right. So most of the people say that time is money and money is time. Can you speak something? Can you define it how?
So actually, managing the time is the if you are spending it like just procrastinating, just doing nothing, that's not going to work it. That the result at the end of the day is going to be same. If you spend your time productively, if you spend it thoroughly, then it will work it like money.
Okay. So you know that you can add also one thing, just like you give 8 hours to any organization. So you work there 8 hours, and then organization gives you money for 8 hours per day, and per day is calculated per month. You get the salary for 30 days. So that is called salary. It means you are giving 8 hours time daily to the organization, and then you are getting money, yeah, as a salary for the 30 days. So you can say time is money and money is time.
Yes, sir.
I have money, then I can buy your time. Okay, you give me time, you serve here, you do something for this, and if you give me 8 hours, then I pay you.
Yes, sir.
So I have money to give you, and you have time to give me.
Yes, sir.
So we are giving and taking. That's why we can say time is money and
And is time.
yes. Okay, so you can ask me any question. One or two questions.
Sir, my question is, what is your motivation behind our knowledge?
Yes. This is a Kali Yuga, and knowledge works in Kali Yuga because we are living in the information technology,
Yes, sir.
changing world, and we don't have knowledge, then we cannot get success. That's why the knowledge is given first priority. Why are the students given education at the school level? The students are made aware about all these things, and the students and having specified knowledge in one field, and they are given value, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you want to, just you said me that you want to become a radiologist, so you have the knowledge about radiology. Okay, you can open your own lab also. Yes, yeah, you can work for the hospital or other organization, right? So for your knowledge you are given the money. So that's why I value the knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I appreciate your answers. My second question is, what is your best skill that you want to know that it is the best? The best skill that you can.
The skill means here in any field. If you have a particular skill, and most of the people have not that, only rare people, very few people have that skill. So you are given more value in the society. And on the behalf of your skill, you can earn more money. And when you earn more money, then you have everything. You have good house, you have good vehicles, you have good clothes, you live in a very standard society. So it depends on your skill and knowledge. So thank you, Nandini. Thank you.